Users need to download the Shine Phone app for network configuration. Open the app. Please inquire with the merchant in advance about the installation code. Create an account. Create a power plant. Skip the data logger configuration. Add device. Select NOAH2000 balcony solar storage. Turn on your device. Make the IoT icon light up. Choose your device. Choose Wi-Fi. Choose a plant. The network configuration is completed, and you can see that the IoT indicator light is always on. Note: if multiple devices are stacked, just turn on the top device and the others will turn on automatically. For stacked devices, light up only the top device's IoT icon. Then you can set the required working mode at different time periods as needed. Load first mode means solar supplies power to the loads at top priority. You can set system output power here. If the solar power is more than the output power you have set, the excess energy will be stored in the battery. Conversely, the battery will be discharged automatically to power the load along with solar power. While battery first mode means solar charges the battery at top priority until it reaches its upper limit SOC. When the battery is fully charged and there is still solar energy, it will output according to the actual solar power. For example, you can set a time period from 8 to 12 o'clock. Set this time period as battery first mode. And click Confirm. Set another time period from 12 to 20 o'clock. Set it to the load first mode and set the output power to 400 watts. Click Confirm. This means that from 8 to 12 o'clock, photovoltaic energy will be prioritized for charging the battery, while from 12 to 20 o'clock, the system will discharge at a power of 400 watts to supply power to household appliances.